HR strategy and vertical alignment.
We define SHRM as a process and HR strategy as an intended outcome. The reason we see SHRM as a process is that it is fundamentally the same as strategic management. Strategic management has been defined as a process that deals with the entrepreneurial work of the organization, organizational renewal and growth, and, more particularly, with developing and utilizing the strategy used to guide the organization's operations. 9 In strategic management, strategy has two meanings. Strategy is a plan or equivalent, a direction, a guide, or course of action into the future, a path to get from here to there. Strategy is also a pattern or the consistency in behavior over time. The former is intended strategy and the latter is realized strategy. We define HR strategy as the intended implicit or explicit outcomes created through the process of SHRM, which aligns with the adopted strategic management perspective of the TMT. Hence, this chapter argues that HR strategy can vary across firms but should be aligned with the adopted perspective of the firm. As a result, it is important to present possible HR strategies given different strategic management perspectives. This notion is called vertical fit. Schuler and Jackson claimed that different strategy types, cost reduction, quality improvement, and innovation, require different types of employee role behaviors, and HR practices should be used to ensure those behaviors occur. 10 Moreover, Langlock-Hall and Langlock-Hall suggested that for human resources to affect strategy there needs to be a fit between an organization's business strategy and its HR strategy. 11 Vertical alignment has various levels, for example, fit between business strategy and HR strategy, or fit between HR strategy and HR practice. However, little attention has been given in the past to the vertical alignment between HR strategy and functional HR strategy in SHRM. This chapter will address this shortcoming by showing the various vertical alignments, such as business strategy, HR strategy, functional HR strategies, and HR practices, as a set of choices.